Experiencing slow boot times on your Xbox Series X can be frustrating. As of 2025, this issue remains a common concern, even with ongoing system updates from Microsoft. A slow boot can range from 30 seconds to several minutes. First, perform a hard reset, also known as a power cycle. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until the console shuts down completely. Then unplug the power cable for 30 seconds, reconnect, and restart. This resolves 60 to 70% of temporary boot issues. Next, clear the system cache by navigating to Settings, then System, then Console Info, and select Reset Console. Choose Reset and keep My Games and Apps. This can reduce boot times by 15 to 30 seconds. Finally, optimize your power settings by going to Settings, then General, then Power Mode, and Startup. Experiment with switching between energy saving and instant on modes, or disable fast startup if you're encountering problems. Energy saving mode often provides the most reliable boot performance. These three immediate fixes address the most common causes of slow boot times on Xbox Series X. Try them in order, starting with the hard reset, which has the highest success rate. If issues persist, advanced optimization techniques can provide long-term solutions. Advanced optimization begins with proper storage management. Your Xbox Series X internal SSD performs best when you maintain adequate free space. Maintain 15 to 20% free space on your internal SSD for optimal performance. Move older games to external storage and regularly uninstall unused applications. Network optimization significantly impacts boot times. Use a wired Ethernet connection whenever possible and configure reliable DNS servers for faster connectivity. Establish a regular maintenance schedule to keep your Xbox Series X running optimally. This includes weekly, monthly, and quarterly tasks that prevent performance degradation. Weekly tasks include completely restarting your console and checking available storage space. Monthly maintenance involves clearing system cache, reviewing unused applications, and updating system software. Quarterly maintenance includes comprehensive storage cleanup and power settings review. Users who follow these maintenance routines report up to 50% faster startup times compared to those who perform no regular maintenance. Proactive system care is the key to maintaining optimal Xbox Series X performance. Regular maintenance prevents issues before they occur and ensures consistently fast boot times for the best gaming experience.